Okay, it is a new day, and for today's video, guys, we are going to do another headlight install, guys. That's what's in this big box right here. We're gonna go ahead and install this on the 350 and get that finished up. So, I got a different type of headlight, and I normally don't like these types of headlights, but it's not about what it is now, it's about what I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna open it up real quick, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So, let's see here. See, those are the type of headlights. The double angel eye headlight. But I'm gonna make these look super aggressive. Not today, but I'm gonna make them look aggressive eventually. But I don't know, we'll see how it looks. That's gonna be on the front of the Z, which, by the way, we need to back up real quick, so we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, now that we have this right here, we're gonna go ahead and start installing the new headlights. I'm really looking forward to these. I don't know if they came with any headwear, or hardware, not headwear. Kinda looking forward to that type of look. We'll have to see though. First things first though, guys, we are going to get, or look for, some hardware real quick. Oh great, there's no hardware. That means that we have to use the hardware that came with it. I think it's in this bag. I'm not quite sure. Let's hope. Aha, we do. It's right here. It's these little white silver ones. And then we'll probably use some random ones for the other ones because I can't find them. Here we have our first headlight. I'm gonna go ahead, take off this nice plastic. Oh shoot. Guys, I don't know what it is. This is like the way to make your car look like really new, is buying brand new headlights. That's at least in my opinion. It's plugged in. I'm gonna turn it on real quick. Angel eyes are so dim. I really hope they brighten up. I'll leave them on for a couple minutes and see, because I think those angel eyes need to warm up or something for them to become bright, because right now they look pretty dim. Let's get our first piece of hardware and start screwing these in just loosely at first. I believe it's just gonna be a nice 10 mil, so we're gonna see if this can't get that on real quick. First one on, now move to the next. And finally our last one. Other than that fitment being absolutely horrible, that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna move on to the other side real quick. Again, it's just gonna be those same 3 bolts and just go from there, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna mock it up, but this still has that big spot on it from where I hit it, but I'm gonna see, because it looks better with it on, so I'm just gonna put it on despite that. I'm gonna get some zip ties and I'm gonna zip it on real quick, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we have that back on. But without further ado, guys, thank you for watching today's video. I'm gonna clean up and stuff and get going. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, give it a fat thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and let your friends know. Take care, and with nothing left to say, guys, I guess it's time to end it.